This is the TWSBI Diamond 580 fountain pen. Comes in a cardboard box with the TWSBI logo on the top of the lid, which lifts open. There's information about the TWSBI Diamond 580 and the use or how to use it. The pen then comes in a plastic box, just a clear plastic lid, which lifts open, and the TWSBI logo is here on the bottom corner of the box. And of course we have the TWSBI Diamond 580 fountain pen. It is a demonstrator pen, clear resin throughout the body and cap of the pen. The body has this kind of a twisted, or they've extruded this particular plastic so that it has this sparkle or shine kind of as you rotate the pen. You'll also be able to see the inner workings of the pen. You can see the piston filler here, as well as the ink levels inside. There's a small knob here at the end of the barrel of the pen, which allows you to twist, and that actuates the piston to fill the body with ink. The top of the cap has the TWSBI logo in red with chrome trim, both on the clip and the rings of the pen. And at the center band or the bottom of the cap is engraved with TWSBI and Diamond 580 Taiwan on the backside. It is a threaded cap. It will unscrew and post. Just barely kind of sits on the end of the barrel of the pen. I don't know that it's necessarily really the best for posting, but it is a good size pen, so don't need to necessarily post to use. It is a stainless steel nib, silver in color, with a black feed. You also have a clear section where you can see the ink levels or see the ink flow through the section of the pen as you're using it. Great pen. Get your TWSBI Diamond 580 fountain pen at penchalet.com.